All right, so we just got these in the mail. They're ELEHEAR-Delight smart hearing aids over the counter. But now we got to get them out of the box, right? Yeah, so we got to push this, pull that, and bam, set that there. All right, so here we go. You ready? Oh, nice. So when you get them, they got this. So you can pop them right out. Let's set it over here. Stop, do not return to store. Okay, we won't. Anyway, this is them right here. They probably have a charge on them. Let's take a look. Oh, nice. Now, usually the first thing you've got to do is pull this off, right? Let's set it over here because it will not charge unless you take off this. Here, see it says remove before use. All right, so that's the left one. It's telling us that on there. Whoops. And boom. So let's put that over there. All right, so now we're ready to, we're all set here. I don't think I got this in right. Let me see. All right, so here's the contact, right? So the contact should, yeah, like that. So that's how they go in. And you can see there, this is one's blinking. It's red, and that one's blue. So blue is left, red is right. All right, and yeah, there they are. Let me turn this around so you can look at it. Oh, it's got a little button over here. And it's got a port there, right? So let's see what else we've got here. So they give you these little straps so you can pull it up, which is kind of nice. You follow me? It says, do not return to store. Okay. Welcome to your new hearing aids. Download the app. We'll need that. Quick start guide. Need that. And then there's the user's manual, which is pretty thick. We'll set that over there. Uh-oh, here's another tab. Let's pop it up. I'm sure we've got a whole bunch of stuff in here. Oh yeah, let's open it up. Oh, check it out. So it's got, this covers the whole thing. And this is for the where you put it in your ear. Okay, and then it has a little brush with a little cleaning thing on it. And in here is your USB cable. Let's see if I can get it out. It doesn't come with a charging block. Okay, so it's USB-A to USB-C. All right, we get that. And there should be some, like, is there a thing for the, oh, that's it. That's everything, I guess. Okay, that's everything. So let's set that right there for right now. All right, so to charge this, you need a USB-C, right? Which I happen to already have. And then really all I need to do is just plug it in here, like that. And you can see these lights are clicking. And it looks like we've got 2 on there, right? So that's pretty good. We'll just let it sit there and charge. And then we'll probably have to take a look at this. And then also we'll probably have to download the app. But that's the unboxing, and we'll make another video on how to use it. How's that sound?